Does your company need a way to create a more consistent frontline workforce with faster training of new employees, simple knowledge sharing of skills, and instant access to relevant standards and documents? L2L may have exactly what you're looking for. Let's take a look at one of the ways L2L can help make this happen. This is Charlie. He's a production line supervisor. When the work week began, Charlie had high hopes that his line would hit all of the production target numbers on the schedule. But as the week progressed, reality set in, and the line began falling further and further behind. With high turnover and new employees, this has been happening a lot lately. The new employees on Charlie's line are inconsistent in their day-to-day understanding of the job, and Charlie needs some help getting them up to speed. This is Rianne. She is a new operator on the sealer machine on Charlie's team. Rianne has been with the company for a short 4 months. Although she is a very capable employee, there are just a few things she is struggling with and needs help overcoming. When Rianne started working for the company, one simple skill she learned was, if she had trouble or a problem running the line, she should simply press the new dispatch button in L2L. Creating a dispatch in L2L logs an event in real time, tracks who input the dispatch, identifies where the dispatch occurred, and sends notifications to other users about the problem, including Charlie. Dispatches can capture any event that happens on the shop floor. Downtime, quality defects, material shortages, and even safety events like near misses, as well as proactive events like PMs, gimbal walks, and even leadership standard work. For some reason, when Rianne is working, the sealer continues to jam up. After clearing the jam and getting the machine back up and running, Rianne takes a couple of seconds and enters a dispatch for the jam. When Rianne puts in a dispatch for the issue, L2L sends notifications via email, text, or the L2L mobile app to all those who need to know, including Charlie. Charlie receives the notification about Rianne's dispatch. This prompts him to open L2L and do some quick investigation. Charlie opens L2L reports and selects an occurrence Pareto. He quickly pulls the data from his production line and sees the sealer is the machine with the highest amount of dispatches over the past 60 days. Charlie then clicks on dispatch history and quickly discovers that Rianne has put in the majority of the dispatches concerning sealer jams. Charlie then opens the L2L skills module and sees that Rianne has yet to be trained on the 1-point lesson that addresses how to adjust the roll tension on the sealer to reduce jams. Because these skills are all based on digital standards found in L2L's document control, Rianne and Charlie can quickly access the latest revision of the 1-point lesson. Rianne and Charlie review the digital 1-point lesson, and Rianne shows Charlie that she now understands how to properly adjust the sealer. 2 weeks later, the number of jams during Rianne's shift has significantly decreased, and production numbers are up as a result. If you'd like to learn more about how L2L can simply and quickly raise the capabilities of your operators, book a free demo by clicking below or go online to l2l.com/demo.